Dear customer, Namaste. Today is the seventh day of Navratri, dedicated to Goddess Kalratri Devi. She signifies protection and strength. On this occasion, we at AGR Sai HVAC want to give the information on precision air conditioner product. This product not only maintains the temperature and air quality as well as it maintains the relative humidity of the atmosphere. Do you want to know how it works and where it can be used? Please call or WhatsApp on this number or visit our website. And most importantly, please like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends for the latest updates. Thank you.